My favorite soup is the one made with the love.
I like it pretty classic. Egg noodles, and I love the way my wife makes it. She actually does a lemon and dill chicken noodle soup, which is really good.
The best chicken soup that I've had was at Central Market maybe 3 weeks ago. It was their like chicken and dumpling thing. I was at lunch, I got it from the soup bar. It was perfect, right? The texture of the dumplings were good, the chicken was good. Brought some home to my wife. She thought she could make it better, but I disagree.
Well, my favorite chicken soup is tortilla soup. So when I eat it, I just feel warmth.
A lot of egg noodles, a lot of carrots, a lot of celery, a lot of chicken.
All about the broth. It can be a few ingredients, but it needs to be the best of those ingredients.
I like to add our organic chicken bone broth to it. It's very gelatinous and high in collagen, and it really helps to elevate the flavor of the chicken as well.
We use a pastina. Pastina is a small type of noodle short, which we mix with fresh creamy cheese. Become almost like a very creamy, rich dish, and that really comforts us when we are sick.
Those types of foods are what become comfort foods.